how to access hidden attributes with properties. Now here we have a class and we have an attribute within it, my attribute, which is equal to 10, and it is hidden. So to access this, I first am creating a property. So for that we need the property decorator. So we write at the rate and then we write property. And then we define method my attribute. So it's the same name as the hidden attribute. And then we write within this self and then we return underscore my attribute. Now in the main body we have the object already made, and now we'll print h dot my attribute. So actually we'll have to save it in a variable because it returns the value. So I write m is equal to h dot my attribute and I will print m, and I forgot to write here self, so self dot my attribute it will return. And now when we run this, so it gives 10. Now just to show that how important the property is, I will just comment out this whole region and just run this. And it says that it does not have any attribute named my attribute. Even if I put the underscore before it, it says the same, that it does not have any attribute my attribute. So I uncommented this, and now if I run this again, it says 10. So you've seen how important the whole property is. But just to demonstrate how important the decorator for property is, I will write another variable, another attribute a, and the value of it is 45. And this time instead of writing at the rate property, I will directly write the method a, and I'll write self over here, and I'll return self dot a. As usual, again I have to call the method here. So the object for it I have to make over here. I'll just replace my attribute with a, and now I'll print and I'll run this, and you can see it's written bound method hidden dot a. So it says that it is hidden, but it does not give the value. So as soon as you write at the rate property, it will give you the actual value. So it gives us 45. So thus you've seen that how we can access hidden attributes using property, and how important each part of the property is, including the decorator for the property. So this is how we access hidden attributes in Python.